How to optimize CDN performance by improving TTFB. Imagine clicking a link and waiting just a blink before the page starts to load. That quick response is what we call time to first byte. It's the moment your browser receives that very first piece of data from the server. If it takes too long, your visitors might get frustrated and leave. So, how do we make that initial response faster? Let's break it down. First, think about where your content lives. Using a content delivery network with servers close to your users makes a big difference. These servers, called edge servers, cache your website's static files like images and scripts. When someone visits your site, the content comes from the nearest edge server instead of traveling across the world. This reduces the distance data has to travel, cutting down on delays. Next, caching is your best friend. Not just at the CDN level, but also on your servers. When static assets like images or style sheets are stored locally at the edge, they don't need to be fetched from the origin server every time. Also, using server-side caching tools like Varnish or caching plugins for your content management system can speed up response times. The less work your server has to do for each request, the quicker it responds. DNS resolution is another key factor. When a user types your website address, their browser needs to find the correct IP address. Fast DNS services provided by CDNs help resolve this quickly, shaving off precious milliseconds from your TTFB. The faster the domain name translates into an IP address, the sooner the connection can be made. Protocols matter too. Modern protocols like HTTP2 and HTTP3 are designed to transfer data more efficiently. HTTP3, which uses user datagram protocol instead of transmission control protocol, helps avoid delays caused by network congestion. Also, using TLS 1.34 secure connections reduces the time needed for the handshake process, speeding up the initial data transfer. Compressing files with gzip or Brotli reduces their size. Smaller files take less time to send from the CDN edge to the user's device. Minifying code like CSS and JavaScript removes unnecessary spaces and comments, further shrinking file sizes and speeding up load times. Minimizing redirects is another simple way to improve TTFB. Each redirect adds extra steps before reaching the final content. Avoiding unnecessary redirects ensures requests reach the server directly. Also, optimizing network routing by choosing the best paths and avoiding congested routes helps data move faster across the internet. Some CDNs offer features like edge computing or programmable caching. These allow you to run custom scripts at the edge, which can serve dynamic content faster or rewrite requests on the fly. This reduces the need to fetch data from your main servers, cutting response times even more. Your origin server still plays a role. Using fast hosting with solid-state drives, optimized databases, and server-side caching ensures that when the CDN cannot serve cached content, the server responds quickly. Regularly updating your website's software, plugins, and themes also helps prevent slowdowns caused by outdated code or security issues. By combining these strategies, placing servers closer to users, caching effectively, using modern protocols, compressing files, and keeping your server optimized, you can significantly reduce TTFB. Monitoring tools that measure real user experiences help you spot bottlenecks and see how well your improvements work. Faster initial responses mean happier visitors, better engagement, and a stronger online presence.